you to an eco-friendly experience that will get you interested, invested, and improve your eco-friendly journey. Here at Conservastore, we believe it takes little steps to make a big impact. We have items and information that can help you make the transition to your eco-friendly life or continue on your journey. We've been around for some time, so we kind of have the hang of things, especially eco-friendly things. We want to be your eco-friendly advisors to help you with anything you need, from small jobs at home to large ones for colleges or towns. We can help. Conservastore is not only for the homeowner, but also the business owner that needs a little guidance. We can help. We look forward to speaking with each and every one of our customers. That's why you'll find no other small business than us, because we always believe we can help. Here are some of our favorite products. Hope they will be your favorites as well. A hands-free Tapmaster faucet device that you install in your home, kitchen, or bathroom. A great water saver and hygiene protector. Low-flow faucet aerator attachments. You know, the little thing at the end of the faucet spout that help you reduce your water usage in the home. Very lowest flow water-saving shower heads that give you the pressure you want for an efficient clean, but reduce your water bills since they are half the water usage of standard shower heads. Lowest flow UHET toilets that function properly with the least amount of water per flush and require less maintenance. A suite of rubber goods from recycled tires for your lawn and garden that do everything from deter weeds to give border separation in your yard to pathways to covering that area you just can't find a solution for. It all lasts up 5 times longer than wood mulch and is water permeable. We even have recycling systems that can help you get organized. Not sure what a power flush toilet is? We can help. Our instructional blogs and informational pages, all on our website, can guide you how to use these items you may see every day but not familiar with. Want to be in the know? Subscribe to our periodic newsletter via email and you'll know the latest about conserving, the global green movement, new products, sales, coupons, and what's in store at Conservastore.com. Just scroll to the bottom and put your email in the Join Our Mailing List box and you're in. You'll be hearing from us soon. You don't have to spend a lot of money to save a lot of money. Conservastore is a store for everyone. We look forward to helping you on your next purchase, so hop on over to Conservastore.com. That's CONSERVASTORE.com and take a look around our inventory. We're always here to help via phone, email, and text. We look forward to helping you on your eco-friendly purchase.